Lord, thank you sa moments nga gin-share mo sa akon sa life nga ginpambit mo sa akon for almost 48 years sa kalibutan niya ini. This beautiful world you created. Ginapaabot ko ng ginang time nga hasta lang ko di if ever pa ako mo ko. And I know na may katapusan ng tanan. And I am almost more than enough 50% of my journey sa kalibutan niya ini. And I'm so happy you share with me. Yung biskan makasasala ko nga tao, but then you accept me. Yung baton mo ko, yung patawad mo ko, biskan nga amo lang ko ka makasasala. With all the dirtiness, with all the flaws, with all the promises na gipasalig ka nga I will be changing and I will change. Yes, I did. But of course, you know how I repeated those things and keep on repeating all those things. I'm very happy because you shared me and allowed me to see this beautiful world. And as a human person, I'm sad because I guess it's part of human being that after experiencing the beautiful things you shared with us, there is this what we call tani pwede pa. I want to enjoy more life more. But then I guess ang pinakakulang sa amon nga tao, Lord, is to see always that heaven is more beautiful than this earth. Ang pinaka-importante na you give me strength and courage to face death just like anyone who passed away, my friends, Father Gratian, members of my family, of course. Give me enough strength and courage and grace. And please, Lord, forgive for all my sins. I'm not perfect. I have so many relationships with men and women which that are not and were not really good. I use also to expend some of the funds, money that are not used to me, and I hurt a lot of people. I disobeyed people. I'm sorry. I caused so much hurt with a lot of people in this world. Nevertheless, there's enough reason why you created us. Sorry, naula ako na pagkaon. Excuse me.